आज होली मनाऊ. Let's celebrate Holi today. Let's celebrate Holi today. नरिसाउ न है, आज होली हो. Don't get offended, it's holy today. Don't get offended, it's holy today. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आज हामी होली सम्बन्धीका वाक्यहरूको अभ्यास गर्नेछौं. Let's continue. तिमीसँग पिचकारी छ? Do you have a water gun? Do you have a water gun? पिचकारीलाई इंग्लिशमा water gun. Do you have a water gun? लोला फ्याँक्दा होशियार हुनु. Be careful when you throw water balloons. Be careful when you throw water balloons. आफ्ना साथीहरूसँग मात्र खेल्नु. Play with your friends only. Play with your friends only. यो होली पर्व सबैलाई मन पर्दैन. Everybody doesn't like this holy festival. Everybody doesn't like this holy festival. तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ होली मन पर्छ त? मन पर्छ भने तल कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा लेखिदिनु होला. त्यसैले आफन्त र साथीहरुसँग मात्र खेल्नु. That's why play with your relatives and friends only. That's why play with your relatives and friends only. मलाई रङ नधस है. Don't smear colors on me. Don't smear colors on me. मलाई रङले एलर्जी हुन्छ. I am allergic to colors. I am allergic to colors. Allergic कुनै कुराले जिउ चिलाउनु, फोका उठ्नु, हाच्छिउ आउनु इत्यादि. Allergic to colors भनेको रङ जिउमा लाग्दा हाच्छिउ आउने, फोका उठ्ने त्यस्तै. I am allergic to colors. पुरानो टी-शर्ट लगाएर जाऊ. Put an old t-shirt on and go. Put an old t-shirt on and go. नयाँ लुगा नबिगार. Don't spoil new clothes. Don't spoil new clothes. होली लेखिएको गन्जी लगाए पनि हुन्छ. You can also wear a Holi imprinted t-shirt. You can also wear a Holi imprinted t-shirt. पछिल्लो होलीमा लगाएकै गन्जी लगाउँछु म त. I'll wear the same t-shirt that I wore at last Holi. I'll wear the same t-shirt that I wore at last Holi. म साथीहरुसँग होली मनाउन बाहिर जाँदैछु. I am going out with my friends to celebrate Holi. I am going out with my friends to celebrate Holi. केटाकेटीहरू एकअर्कामा लोला फ्याँकिरहेका छन्. Kids are throwing water balloons at one another. Kids are throwing water balloons at one another. अब यो अर्को वाक्य हेरौं। उनी पछाडिबाट आएर मेरो पुरै अनुहारमा रङ लगाइदिन्। She came from behind and colored my whole face. She came from behind and colored my whole face. होली मनाउन घर बाहिर निस्क। Come out of the house to celebrate Holi. Come out of the house to celebrate Holi. तिमी नआएसम्म हामी जाने छैनौं। We won't go until you come. We won't go until you come. चिन्ता नलिऊ, हामी तिम्रो निधारमा टीका मात्र लगाइदिन्छौं। अब यसलाई अंग्रेजीमा भन्नुपर्दा, Don't worry, we will just apply a dab on your forehead. Don't worry, we will just apply a dab on your forehead. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru and Hamro Online Class. र दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला। कसैलाई पनि स्थायी रङ लगाउन नदिनु। Don't let anyone apply permanent color. Don't let anyone apply permanent color. Permanent सधैं रहने अथवा सधैं बसिरहने। Don't let anyone apply permanent color. मलाई रङ नलाऊ है, म तिमीहरू खेलिरहेको हेर्न मात्र चाहन्छु। Please don't apply color on me. I just want to see you play. Please don't apply color on me. I just want to see you play. मलाई रङसँग खेल्न मन पर्दैन। I don't like to play with colors. I don't like to play with colors. उसले छतबाट ममाथि रंगीन पानी हान्यो। He threw colored water on me from the roof. He threw colored water on me from the roof. I am totally drenched. I am totally drenched. यही कुरालाई यसरी पनि भन्न सकिन्छ, म पुरै भिजेको छु। I am totally soaked. I am totally soaked. मानिसहरू एकअर्कामा पानी खन्याइरहेका छन्। People are pouring water on one another. People are pouring water on one another. अपरिचितहरूलाई पानी नछ्याप। Don't splash water at strangers. Don't splash water at strangers. सबै दुश्मनी भुलेर होली मनाऊ। Let's forget all the enmity and celebrate Holi. Let's forget all the enmity and celebrate Holi. He drenched me with a water gun. He drenched me with a water gun. उनले मेरो निधारमा सुक्खा रङ लगाइदिन्। She put dry color on my forehead. She put dry color on my forehead. COLOUR color भनेको ब्रिटिशमा हो र अमेरिकनमा चाहिँ COLOR color जुन प्रयोग गरे पनि हुन्छ। She put dry color on my forehead. यी रङहरू धुन साँच्चै गाह्रो हुन्छ। It's really difficult to wash off these colors. यहाँ प्रयोग भएको छ COLORS colors, यो हो American. It's really difficult to wash off these colors. बाटोमा हिँडिरहेका मान्छेहरूलाई लोलाले नहिर्काऊ. Don't throw water balloons at the pedestrians. Don't throw water balloons at the pedestrians. बाहिर गएर होली खेला, भित्र नखेला. Go and play Holi outside. Don't play inside. Go and play Holi outside. Don't play inside. मलाई होली खेल्न रमाइलो लाग्छ. I enjoy playing Holi. I enjoy playing Holi. मलाई आफ्नो परिवार र साथीभाइहरूसँग होली खेल्न रमाइलो लाग्छ. I enjoy playing Holi with my family and friends. I enjoy playing Holi with my family and friends. हामी आफू माझ मात्र होली खेल्छौं. We only play Holi among ourselves. We only play Holi among ourselves. केही मानिसहरूले होलीको बदनाम गर्छन्. Some people give Holi a bad name. Some people give Holi a bad name. उनीहरू मातेर होली खेल्छन्. They play Holi intoxicated. They play Holi intoxicated. कतिपयले त भाङ पनि खान्छन्. Some even eat cannabis. Some even eat cannabis. तपाईलाई होली कस्तो लाग्छ अथवा के तपाई होली खेल्नुहुन्छ? How do you find Holi अथवा do you play Holi? How do you find Holi? Do you play Holi? यसको उत्तर तल कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा लेखिदिनु होला. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video.